Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Same to
New
you,
Year,
sir.
sir.
To you, sir.
So, how was your New Year, first day of the New Year? How was it?
So very good and nice also.
Very good. So, what are the resolutions that you have taken this year? Anyone? Abhiyan, have you taken any resolution this year?
What, sir?
Have you taken any resolution this year?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
What resolution?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I will go to school and make school cool.
Sorry, I will
Go to school
go to school.
and make sir something like.
Sorry. Abhiyan, accidentally I turned off your mic by mistake. Yeah, can you repeat it, Abhiyan?
Sir, I will again make my school cool.
Acha, you will again make your school cool. Wow. Very good. Anyone else? Bhakti, what resolution?
Sir, I was
Last
2
month,
minutes late.
sir,
Sir, so I don't know what we are doing.
हाँ जी, भक्ति बताइए.
sir, I have a plant motif and save water and the main is go to school.
अच्छा, save water and you want to
Plant
go to
motif,
plant
go
more
to
trees.
school.
Very good, very good. You have taken a resolution to save water. This is a very good one. Plant more trees. That means you want to save the environment and you want to go to school also.
Yes,
So
sir.
going to school is we cannot consider it as a resolution because it is not in our hands. Going to the school depends on the vaccine and the condition which is going on.
Sir, two vaccine is come.
Yeah, that
Sir,
is, but still, it will take a little time to distribute the vaccine to everyone. So
Sir, I want to be in the toppers list.
yeah, देखो ASFA का resolution देखिए. I want to be in the toppers list. Very good. And anyone else? Any different kind of resolution? Yes. और कोई नहीं बस. अभियान, what is your resolution? ये तो तुमने स्कूल जाना चाह. That is your wish. You want to go to the school and make the school cool. That's your wish. What is your resolution?
Sir, my resolution is.
हाँ.
So I will think.
अच्छा, think of it. Think of a good resolution. What do you want to change in yourself? What do you want to change around? What do you want to change the things which are around you? मतलब your surroundings. Do you want to change your nature in a particular manner, or do you want to change your habits, or have you decided to मतलब score good marks? These kind of resolutions people take. Like Asfa has taken a resolution, she wants to score good marks. Bhakti has decided that she will save the environment. I have also decided to stay fit. This is my resolution.
Sir, what is your resolution?
I want to stay fit in this year.
Sir, I want to score good marks.
You want to score good marks. Abhiyan, you want to score good marks. हाँ जी, अभियान को ऑडियो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. Anyone else? Pratishtha, what is your resolution? So Abhiyan, your resolution is that Abhiyan, your resolution is that you want to go score good marks.
Yes, sir.
Very good, nice. Asfa, you want to say something?
Sir, I have another resolution. I want to win in something like an art competition or something. I want to win in it, and I want a medal. I do not want a certificate. I want a medal.
Very good, nice resolution. So you want to grow in both the fields, in your studies as well as in extracurricular activities. That is very good. Nice. Anyone else? और कोई बच्चा? भरत, तुम्हारा रेजोल्यूशन क्या है? इस बार मैं माइक ऑफ रखूंगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, I have thought of a good resolution for you. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए एक
Sir, to
resolution.
score and be particular, sir, be sincere to every class, attend all the studies, sir.
That's very good. That's very sweet of you. That you want to.
Sir, I am not at my home today, so sir, I am not answering that much.
अच्छा, no problem, beta. But your resolution is good. I have also thought of a resolution from your side. तुम्हारे लिए मैंने एक resolution सोचा है. That you should keep, when you are not speaking, you should keep your mic off at that time. Switch it on only when you speak. Okay. अच्छा है ना मेरा resolution भरत के लिए? What do you all think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's very disturbing, sir, when he keeps his mic open
I think
and
he
everybody else's mic is off and he's just keeping his mic.
he is never doing it intentionally. He forgets to switch it off. I don't know why, but he does not do it intentionally. That I am sure. He's sweet, Bharat. Bharat is a sweet boy. Am I right, Bharat? You are a sweet boy.
Sir, one time you come in
Yes.
computer class.
Acha, computer class. So then I will come to know how Bharat behaves in the computer class. Huh? अच्छा. ओहो, ये क्या सुनने में आ रहा है भरत
Yes,
तुम्हारे
sir,
बच्चे?
now he's not answering and in computer class his mouth will be not
अच्छा,
mean.
शुक्ला, दाल में कुछ काला है कि पूरी दाल ही काली है? चलिए, let's start. So
काली दाल काली होगी.
this is our first class in the new year. Let's start it.
Yes, sir.
We are doing the chapter circles. Have we completed it or we are still doing it?
So we need to do exercises,
Sir, we have to
then
do.
we'll complete.
Can you tell me what we have already done in this exercise till now?
Sir, we have to do
So
notes
nothing.
in the notebook.
We have not written anything in the notebook. I have just explained you about the chapter.
Yes, sir, we have to do in the notebook.
Yes, sir. Only explanation.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have
Not-
told about the different parts of the.
Acha. So I showed you
And
some
sir, we were
videos.
finding last time diameters of circle. So you were telling that what
Okay.
is the
I was telling you
radius,
about the
what-
parts of a circle, the terms
Yes,
which
sir.
were related to circles. And now,
Yes.
have I showed you some videos also?
No, sir, you have not shown.
No,
You have shown.
No, sir, you have shown.
I have shown you.
Sir,
No,
you
sir,
have
you have shown. Shown.
I've shown. I've shown.
Sir, when our class was with 5th C, so you have
I
shown.
showed
Sir,
you.
sir, we have shown the video.
अरे सुनो सुनो मेरी बात.
Shown.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. अरे मेरी बात तो सुन लो बेटा, लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Listen to me. Listen. Those who are saying that I have not shown, they were not present in the class. So what you can do, you can always watch the recording which is there on YouTube. Search for the channel, and I post it in the group also. So you can see the video of the last class recorded video. It is on YouTube, and you can see that which videos I showed you, and then those videos are already shown in the class, so we will not I will not again show those videos. Okay, so what you have to do right now, first thing, open page number 155. Page number 155, all of you.
Sir, opened.
Sir, opened.
There you can see this purple patch, this purple kind of cloud,
Yes.
whatever it is, in the shape of cloud, this thing. So this is the definition of a circle. Okay, so you have to write down the heading circles and then write down this definition. पहले मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, ठीक है, ध्यान से. आप लोग टिक लगाते रहिए क्या क्या करना है. Okay, put a tick mark in your books. Take out a pencil. Take out a pencil. So put a tick mark what you have to write in your notebook. So first of all, you will write down the heading circles and then write this definition of circles. This one in which is in the color purple. Okay, so this is the definition of circles. This you have to write down the whole definition. Okay, now second thing, you come down. Now you see the heading parts of a circle. This heading parts of the circle. You will also write down the same heading parts of circle. Okay, and then write down all these points in your notebook, all these points, and draw the figures also using a compass and a pencil. Take out a compass, draw these figures also in the parts of circles. मार्क कर लीजिए बुक में, पहले मार्क करिए उसके बाद स्टार्ट करिएगा. Parts of circles, write down all the definitions. Okay, okay, very
Sir,
good.
every day in
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, every day in maths class, I was bringing my compass and all. Sir, today only I not brought, and today only it was its use.
Okay, no problem, beta. You can bring it. Are you at your home only?
Yes, sir.
So you can take out. So now, and the next page, the definition of arc. This also you have to write. Okay. Last one, definition of arc.
Okay, sir.
Okay, only these.
Okay. So we have to write all the definitions.
Yeah, all the definitions. Parts of circle में जितनी भी definitions दी हैं आपको, वो सारी आपको कॉपी में नोट करनी है. Okay. In the topic parts of a circle.
Sir, can we start?
Yes, you can start doing now, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And so we have to not write semicircle, quadrant, center and diameter.
Sorry, beta, can you repeat? Abhiyan, what were you saying? Can you repeat?
So I was saying that the semicircle and quadrant center you have not marked.
Let me see, just a minute. No, beta, you don't have to write down the definition of a semicircle. You have to write down the definition of circumference, diameter, radius, chord, and arc. 5 definitions. Okay. सबसे पहले सर्कल की डेफिनेशन लिखनी है, which is there in the purple color. Then second
Yes,
is
sir, that I have marked. Sir, that I have marked.
only this much you have to do. Quadrant and semicircle की definition आपको नहीं लिखनी है. Okay. Yes, Abhiyan, do you want to say something? Abhiyan?
Sir, I want to say that I have done like this. It is right or wrong?
Let me see your notebook. Yes, it is correct.
Sir,
Correct.
I'm rotating the camera.
Yes, yes, I've seen. It is correct, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay.